Good morning, students. Today is a very special program. We are going to show you one project work, and that is the project of about water around the world, and it is prepared by class 3 students of our Atul Vidyalaya. So I think you are very excited to see the project work. So I will share the screen, and I will. There are many pages, so I will explain till page number 1 to 5. So I'm going to share the screen. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, no, miss. No, miss. I cannot see the screen.
BP sir, is it clear or not?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so this is the project work, and it is prepared by class 3 students of Atul Vidyalaya. And the topic is sources of water in India. From where do we get water, right? Water is very important for all of us. So we have to learn about it, and this project work is very important for us. I think we will learn lots of things from it. Okay, and here are some pictures of sources of water, and this is the rain, well, tap, river, stream, and lake. These are the main sources of water. Now we are going to see the second slides. Okay, and this is the next slide, and it is there are also some pictures of different sources of water in India, and you can see it. Here is a pond, well, spring, river, and sea. There is sea in India, but in Nepal we don't have any sea here. But other sources are also in Nepal too. So I'm going to show you the next slide. Can you please mute the mic? Please mute the mic, my dear students. Okay, it is the third slide, and it is what does water resource mean? Water resources are the natural resource of water that are potentially useful. They are usually freshwater resources. So water resources are very important for us, and they are the natural resources of water, and they are surface water, frozen water, groundwater, and rainwater. Okay, I'm going to show you the fourth slide. Okay, and this is about the available sources of water in India. And you can see here we obtain the water we use from three basic sources: groundwater, surface water, and rainwater. These are the main sources of water we use. Please mute your mic, my dear students. You are so good. And the second point, groundwater includes all water that is found underground water, jamin muni ko pani, hey, and within the rocks, and it traps in the rocks also. When we dig the ground, then we will get underground water. And the whale is underground water. Next, the third point is surface water. Surface water means The river, lakes, ponds, pools, seas, ocean, these all are surface water. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the fourth slide. Please mute your mic. Okay. Sources of water in India. In India, rivers are the main source of water. In India, rivers have been the lifelines of growth and culture. They are the main source of water. And second sources are lakes. Apart from rivers, India is house of some of the most beautiful lakes of the world. Some natural, other artificial. In India, there are some man-made lakes too. मान्छेले बनाएको पनि लेकहरू छ त्यहाँ कुनै कुनै है खनेर त्यहाँ पानी भरेर बनाएको. And some are natural lakes and they are the another sources of water. And next, the third point is groundwater. Groundwater is one of the most important water sources in India, accounting for 63% of all irrigation water and over 80% of the rural and urban domestic water supplies. It means the main source, सबैभन्दा धेरै पानी in India, the main source of water is groundwater. So you can see the pie diagram also here, and the biggest part is covering by groundwater, and it is 63%. So this is the main sources of water in India. And the next is in light blue color. You can see this. It is surface water. Surface water means like sea, ocean, pond, river, lakes. This is the second sources. And there are two sources. They are equal parts. They are 4% each. The surface water tank 4% and undefined sources. Undefined means it is not clear from where it comes. So these are equal in equal percentage, and the main source of water is underground water, groundwater. Okay, so I explained you till fifth slide. Now Subhash sir will explain you more. I will show you, and Subhash sir will tell you about it.
Okay, thank you, Rita Miss. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Okay, Rita Miss said already. Please listen carefully. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling well today. I got flu this morning. And please listen carefully. And Rita Miss, please help me to change the slides. Yeah? All right. As Rita Miss has explained and taught about what? What did she talk about? She talked about resources, water resources in India. All right. Now I'm going to talk about the condition of water in India. Okay. As you can see on the screen on your device, so you can see the map of India. Okay, you can see north part, east, west, south. They are surrounded. Okay, this is our neighbor country, and east, west, south are surrounded. Okay, and you can see there are different colors: green, blue, orange, red. So green shows the occasional water problem in India, and blue shows water stress, and orange and red color that shows water scarcity and absolute scarcity. These all means the problem of water. Okay, you need to know that this is the problem of water in India. Occasional water problem like not getting sometimes not getting proper enough water, that we need. And water stress is a condition where the demands of water increase. Okay, and water scarcity is the lack of freshwater resources to meet the standard water demand, like lack of water supply. Okay, Miss, next phase, next
Then
slide,
I
so
think
I
you have to
can
explain that
explain
red
more
one.
about water scarcity.
Okay, I'm going to show you the next slide now.
You can see there's about water scarcity. Okay, so water scarcity both natural and human origin is the lack of sufficient available water resources. I told you already, sufficient means not like enough, lack of sufficient available water resources to meet the demands with a reason. And water is unequally distributed over time and space, and most time it is wasted. Okay, scarcity that the water we cannot use properly. Look at the picture we're getting from well, and there is tap, like there is no water. And if there is water, that is not we cannot drink, that is because that is not pure because of scarcity. Okay, the next one is let's talk about the causes. What makes water scarcity? Okay, next one. There are some reason water scarcity happens or occurs. The water scarcity is mostly man-made due to excess population growth. Okay, population growth, you know already, population growth means mass population, and mismanagement of water resources means we are not they are not managing the water resources. You already know water resources, and they are not managing water resources properly. That's why it happens. And there are major reasons. There are traditional techniques of irrigation causes maximum water loss due to evaporation. Evaporation. What happens when there is evaporation? Evaporation means the process of water becomes gas, right? So when water becomes gas, then there will be no more water. That's why water scarcity happens. And drainage, percolation, and convenience, and access of underground. These are the causes of water scarcity. Next, uh, next one is this. The next slides. This is the method to protect protect or conserve water resources by rainwater harvesting. It is like when there is rain, like collecting water in house, so we can supply for to plantation or crop, for crop or farming. We can do that, like when we can collect that water in our house, right, when there is rain. And Johat is like digging land to store water. It is also a method to collect water. Like somewhere we can dig, we can make like big pond, and we can store water and we can supply. And the third one is canals. Canals is like a way for waterway. We can say waterway, so we can use that method also to protect water. And lakes also, and artificial ponds and check dams. Lakes, you already know lakes. We need to protect that one. And artificial ponds, you can know. Then check dam is like it helps water the flow to stop or prevent flowing water slowly. Sometimes when there is forced water, then there would be flood, right? That's why check dam helps water to flow slowly. Okay, so we can use that method. This is all about uh, water resources in India and the problem crisis. We can call water crisis, that is water problem in India, and there are some ways or methods uh, to stop that. So we can so they can supply water to all people.
Subhash sir, can I explain a little bit about it now?
Oh yes, miss.
Thank you. Okay, my dear students, I'm going to explain it in brief. Okay, what are the students are practicing to save the water in India? These are very useful points, so we can apply in our school too. And the students are practicing like this. It is very useful to you. So the first point is take the required amount of water to drink, not the full glass. Okay, it means how much water you need at a time. So you can take that much amount only. So it will not waste. The second point is bring small water bottles, half liter or 1 liter, and refill it if needed from the school. So this practice is very nice. We can follow it in our school too. And all the students bring half liter or 1 liter bottle from the house, and if they finish the water, they go to the tap and fill it again. So it's very
Excuse
nice point. And the third point is water break thrice a day.
Miss, excuse me, Miss.
Yes sir.
Miss, excuse me.
Yes sir.
If you need, you can. If you need, you can explain a little bit some points in Nepali also. Okay, if they don't understand.
Okay, thank you sir.
Okay.
ओके इन्डियामा चाहिँ के प्र्याक्टिस भएको छ भने प्रत्येक स्टुडेन्टले आफूले जति पानी पिउने हो त्यति मात्र लिने है। जस्तै हामीले हाफ ग्लास जति हामीलाई खान पुग्छ भने 1 ग्लास लिएर खेर नफाल्ने। अनि प्रत्येक स्टुडेन्टले आधा लिटर अथवा 1 लिटर बोतल को घर सानो स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूले आधा लिटर, ठुल्ठुलो स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूले चाहिँ 1 लिटरको बोतल भरेर घरबाट लिएर आउने, अनि जब त्यो भ्याइन्छ अनि फेरि स्कुलबाट फिल गरेर फेरि पिउने। The third point is water break thrice a day mandatory and flexibility to drink water whenever needed. 3 चोटिसम्म ब्रेक हुन्छ। In our school too we have thrice times breaks, isn't it? है 3 चोटि वाटर ब्रेक हुन्छ पानी चाहिएको बेलामा है। And the fourth point is while going home, students pour excess water from their water bottle into a big drum which is kept at the exit point. This is used for mopping and cleaning purposes. जब स्टुडेन्ट्सहरू घर जाने बेला हुन्छ छुट्टी भएपछि उनीहरूले चाहिँ आफ्नो बोतलमा जुन एक्स्ट्रा पानी छ त्यो स्कुलको गेटनिर एउटा ड्रम राखिएको छ, त्यहाँ तिनीहरूले त्यो बचेको पानी त्यहाँ खन्याउँछन्। अनि त्यो पानी किन युज हुन्छ त? मपिङ एन्ड क्लिनिङ पर्पजेस, त्यो भुइँ पुस्न सफा गर्नको लागि त्यो पानी युज हुन्छ। इट इज भेरी नाइस पोइन्ट, आई लाइक इट। एन्ड द नेक्स्ट पोइन्ट इज अ प्लम्बर visit the school once in a week for the maintenance of the pipes. प्लम्बर पाइप फिक्स गर्ने, पाइपमा लिकेज छ कि छैन है, कहाँबाट पानी खेर गइरहेको छ चेक गर्नको लागि हप्ताको एकचोटि प्लम्बर स्कुलमा चेक गर्न आउनुहुन्छ त्यहाँ है। We have 10 minutes of time. I think we'll finish it. Okay. And the next point is, second last point is, students perform street play for awareness. अनि बच्चाहरूले चाहिँ बेला बेलामा सडक नाटक भन्छौँ हामी, नाटक ड्रामाहरू पानी कसरी सेभ गर्ने भनेर ड्रामाहरू पनि देखाउनुहुन्छ है। The last point is rain water harvesting done in the school premises. भनेको स्कुलको एरिया भित्र पनि रेन वाटर बर्सातको पानी कसरी सेभ गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर स्कुल भित्रै पोखरीहरू बनाएर त्यहाँ युज गरिरहेको, ट्याङ्की पोखरी, अन्डरग्राउन्ड ट्याङ्की पोखरीहरू बनाएर युज गर्नु भएको छ। सो आई लाइक दिस पोइन्ट भेरी मच। दिज आर भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट पोइन्ट्स द्याट वी क्यान follow in our school too. I think all my students, I think you also enjoyed the project work. So I'm going to take the reviews of some students from class 3. So I'm going to ask Ayush, Thapa from grade 3. I have taken one boy and one girl. So Ayush Thapa.
Miss म थाहा छैन म कुमार हो मिस
Okay, Ayush Kumar, thank you very much. So do you like the project work?
Yes, I like the project work because we learned the different sources of water around the world.
Thank you very much. Now I have taken one girl from grade 3. She is Sirasma.
Yes, Miss.
Do you like the project of grade 3
Yes,
students
I
from Atul
like the
Vidyalaya?
project. Yes, I like the project because it taught us how to use water wisely.
Yes, thank you very much. Subha sir, do you want to ask the students of grade 4?
All right, sure, miss. Okay, class 4. Do you want to share something about this project, this lesson? Let me pick. I think it is better if I pick. It would be easy because there are many. So maybe Sachin, can you tell us about what did you learn? Did you enjoy the lesson? Can you say something about it? Raisa, do you hear me?
Sir, what are you telling? I can't listen.
Do you want to share something about this project or this lesson from this class? What did you learn like that? Can you hear me, Aisa? Aisa, Sachin, can you hear me? Ritamis, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Your sound is
Is
clear.
it clear?
Yes, very
I
clear,
think their
very clear.
students' net is unstable. I think so. You can ask any other students.
Is there anyone? Or let me check. Asim, do you want to share something? I think their connection maybe. I can see. Asim, can you hear me? Sophia, do you want to share something, Sophia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you share something about this class? What did you like the most? What did you learn? You can share anything about the lesson. Okay?
We have to save water and we have to save water and water is the important for our life.
Okay, good job. Thank you.
Good, very good.
One more student. One more student, maybe. Anybody interested? If you can hear me, class 4, you can share. Sign, do you want to share something about it? Sign. Sign, can you hear me? Oh. Binam, do you want to say something? Can you hear me, Binam?
Subhash sir,
I
I think
think
their
they
network
may
is
be shy.
unstable, so I think they didn't listen clearly.
Oh,
So we have 3 minutes
Sir,
okay, I'm
of
sorry
time.
for that.
sir,
Yes, yes.
we learn.
Sachin, do you want to share?
Yes, we learn
Okay,
about. We learn the ways of what saving saving the water.
okay. That's it. Okay, thank you, Sachin. Thank you for sharing and good job. Okay, Rita Miss,
Okay,
you
thank you,
can.
our respected VP sir. Thank you, Subhash sir. Thank you, all my dear student, for watching the project and giving your views on it. And I would like to thank Atul Vidyalaya for preparing this very useful project work, which we showed to our students. I also like this project very much, and there are so many important points that we can learn. Thank you.
Okay, just to wind up, once again, I would like to thank Rita Miss and Subhash sir for conducting this lovely slideshow and giving lots of information to class 3 and 4. And finally, I would like to thank Atul Vidyalaya, Gujarat. They have really done a wonderful job and they have sent these lovely slides, and it's a great thing. Great things are there in fact in this, and as Rita Miss has already pointed out few points like how, like while going back, like these students while they go back home, how they dump the water into a big drum and it is kept at the exit point. So that's a lovely point. We also can learn this lovely point uh, while, I mean, for this, how like this, I mean, the school from Gujarat, they have prepared. It's a really lovely point to remember, and we can also apply the same thing in our school. So, Subhas sir, did you like any of these points, or did you like any of the slides, like anything from your side, any feedback from your side?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for giving this project. I'm very glad to work on it, and I'm very much thankful to the school. Also, they are working on the very. It is a critical thing. Water crisis is a very critical thing, and they are trying to reach out and to solve. I think I like the way how they plan to prevent uh, the water crisis in India. They plan like what rainwater harvesting, Johal, and canals. These are, I think, it can help. I think they have given clear information about it, and it is very important for a student to know about it also and be aware. And thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss